Why being organized is good for you. Growing up, I used to be a messy and unorganized student. I have read some articles and here's why. Organizing can reduce stress and make us happier. Most people with cluttered homes or unorganized homes feel mostly depressed or fatigued. If you want to prevent these negative effects, you shall organize. Not only to prevent these negative effects, it can also make us more relaxed and make us happier. Secondly, organizing can make you get better grades. Working in a better environment makes you work better and think better. Organizing can make us motivated. Success brings motivation. Therefore, it is much easier to achieve success when you're organized. Let me give you 3 steps to begin organizing. You can start organizing your locker to have an improvement in how organized you are at school. You can organize your wardrobe to also have an improvement in how organized you are in your room. You can also make a schedule for good time management. So I suggest that you start organizing now. Thank you.